What about the classic Filipino Pork Adobo AIP Style? Stick around to learn how to turn this dish using the simplest ingredients into anti-inflammatory and AIP compliant. Salute everyone! What's cooking? Welcome to AIP Limitless Recipes. If you have not seen any of my previous tutorials yet, my name is Grace. Pork adobo is a timeless Filipino classic that is now globally embraced by food enthusiasts. Learn with me how to create this Filipino favorite dish into AIP compliant, starting with rinsing our pork belly with running filtered water. Tapping it to dry with a kitchen paper towel. Cut the pork belly into half of the length. I have here about 2 pounds of boneless pork belly. Spread salt generously to the belly to season and to tenderize the meat at the same time for at least 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let us prepare the rest of the ingredients. 3 to 5 cloves of garlic to mince. A medium-sized shallot or any onion to slice. 3 to 4 dried bay leaves. Half cup of coconut aminos. 4 tablespoons of coconut vinegar. Though optional, half tablespoon of coconut palm sugar. When 30 minutes is over, let us rinse the excess salt from the pork belly with a running filtered water. Tap to dry and slice the pork belly into 1 inch or 2 cut. Then, over medium-high heat, we will warm up a tablespoon of avocado oil and saute our minced garlic. Load the pork belly. Allow the belly to cook for a couple of minutes. And we will pour half of the coconut aminos and scatter the bay leaves all over the dish. Cover for a few minutes to allow the bay leaves to infuse its aroma into the pork belly. Uncover and mix. Allow the fat to render to a few more minutes until you see the meat size reduced. Mix occasionally and then we will add the rest of the coconut aminos. The coconut vinegar. Mix and give it time to reduce, still over medium-high heat. Add the diced shallots and mix. You may sprinkle a little bit of the coconut palm sugar if you want this dish to have a subtle sweet flavor. This mixture alone is perfect for my taste, so I won't need to add sugar. Once the sauce has thickened and most of the fat has been rendered, then we stop the heat and serve. Trying not to include or scoop the fat if you want. Ladies and gentlemen, our Pork Adobo AIP Style. Traditionally served over a bed of rice, but it can be paired with sweet potatoes or cauliflower rice. Give this dish a try, and happy cooking! Until next time, be healed and be blessed. Hanggang sa muli!